Hi guys, it's Otto from Motorize It, and today I'll be showing you the Centralis RTS Indoor, which is an external remote receiver which can be used to replace a regular switch on a tubular motor. It's made by Somfy, so you need to use Somfy remote controls, but you can connect it to any tubular motor that's 230 volts. So it doesn't matter if you have a different brand or if it's a Somfy. In this case, we'll be using a Somfy, and I'll be showing you how the wires need to be connected and how you can connect a remote control. So I'll show you the main connections here. We have the down wire going here, the up wire going here, so that's from the motor. The blue wire from the motor will go here. Then we will have the blue one from the mains connection and the brown one, and we'll be connecting with a connector block the two earth wires, which are the green and yellow ones. So let's have a look how that's done. I'll start with the ones from the motor. So I'll put brown here. So that's the first one done. Brown is in down. I can connect black now, and you can see later on that if the direction is wrong, so if you press up and the motor goes down, you just need to switch the brown and black wires. Make sure to turn power off, of course, but all you need to do to change the course the motor is running in by changing the wires. So I'll take black now and connect that one. So there we are, brown and black in up and down. And I'll be taking the blue one from the motor. I'll connect that next to the black one. So there we are, we almost have all the motor cables connected. Brown, black and blue. The only one left is the earth, which we connect at the latest point. We'll first continue with the blue wire from mains power, which will go next to the blue one from the motor. So that's quite easy to remember. Two blue ones going next to each other. So that's blue from mains connected. I'll now continue with the brown one. And that's all the connections done on the Centralis. So once again, brown and black in up and down from the motor, the blue one from the motor, the blue wire from mains, and then the brown wire from mains. So that's all you need to do on the receiver itself. Now all we need to do is connect the two earth cables. So that's it. We have everything ready. All the cables are connected. We can now turn the unit over where we'll see a display. There are two buttons. One is this one, which you can use to test the unit to see if everything is connected correctly. And there's a program button, which we'll be using later on to connect the remote control. So let's turn on power. See if everything's working properly. So just press the button and the motor should respond. By pressing the button, it will turn in one direction. When you press it again, it will stop, and then it will turn in the other direction. But everything seems to be working fine, so we've connected it properly, and we can now continue to link the remote control. That's done by pressing the program button. At that point, the light will come on and the motor will respond. So we'll do that now. You press and keep holding it till the motor responds. That's been done now. So now the motor is in, the unit is in programming mode, which means it can receive a signal from the remote itself. If you have a one channel remote, you can just press the program button on the back. In this case, I have a 5-channel remote, and I'll first select a channel that I'll be using. It's channel 5. It's blinking now. I turn off the remote control, and I press the prog button until the motor responds. And that's it. The remote has been linked, and you can now operate the Centralis from your remote control. I once again press the select button to make sure I have the right channel. When I press up, the motor will respond. Press stop, I can press down. So it's fully functional now. So now you have made a regular motor into a remote controlled motor with this remote control. You can easily add more remotes in the same function. So if you just press the program button and press on the prog button on the remote control, it will work. So you can even add things like timers, etc. Now, if you have any questions about programming or about Centralis Indoor, let me know. The email address is info@motorize.it. Thank you, and see you next time.